Yeah, my name is Mike White. I've been working here for 9 years now. January coming, gonna be 10 years. And it's 9 good years. Can't complain so far. The salt, it's not good for our lake, it's not good for our streams, our river, it's not good for the fish. So for me, it's just proper cleaning and less salt. And I definitely believe in that. So we can do better. Meaning the snow plowing guy, the guy who used the shovel, the guy who used the snow blower. If we come as a team and really work as a team, then all we need to do really and truly is just clean the snow properly before we put salt down. But when you put the salt in the snow, we just get pure slush and then overnight ice. Then you have to come back in the morning and dump more salt just to move that ice again. So you're just like over and over. Well, the salt, as you see, I use my hand and throw it, so I want to spread it as much as I can spread it, because you just dump it one place, then that don't work. It's easier when you remove the snow and put the salt down. Yep. That's it.